Top 5 Best Dash Cams, Front and Rear. Far too many drivers underestimate the importance of a reliable dash cam until it's too late. Whether it's a hit and run, false insurance claims, or just capturing unexpected moments on the road, a high-quality dash cam is your ultimate witness. But not all dash cams are created equal. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best front and rear dash cams that deliver crystal-clear footage, advanced safety features, and unbeatable value. Make sure to check the links below for exclusive discounts, and let's dive in. Number 5. Miden X5 4K Wi-Fi Dash Cam, the ultimate 3-channel guardian. Starting off our list at number 5, the Miden X5 4K Wi-Fi Dash Cam is a powerhouse for drivers who want 360-degree coverage without compromise. This 3-channel dash cam records in Ultra HD 4K 2160p for the front, plus 1080p for both the interior and rear cameras, ensuring every angle is captured. With a 176-degree front lens and 160-degree rear interior lenses, blind spots are practically eliminated. What sets the Miden X5 apart is its 5 GHz Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing ultra-fast video transfers to your smartphone via the app. Imagine instantly sharing accident footage or scenic drives with just a tap. Plus, its Sony IMX6 sensor and f1.5 aperture deliver stunning night vision, so even low-light conditions won't hide critical details like license plates. For security, the 3-axis G sensor automatically locks footage during collisions, while 24/7 parking mode keeps recording if someone bumps your parked car. And yes, it includes a free 64GB SD card right out of the box. If you want triple coverage without breaking the bank, the Miden X5 is a stellar pick. Number 4. Savcon J06 3-channel dash cam, budget-friendly reliability. Next up at number 4, the SUVCON J06 3-channel dash cam proves you don't need to splurge for solid performance. This 1080p front, cabin, and rear dash cam is perfect for Uber drivers, families, or anyone needing all-around surveillance. The 170-degree front lens and 150-degree rear interior lenses reduce blind spots, while infrared LEDs inside ensure clear cabin footage at night. Unlike pricier models, the SUVCON J06 focuses on essentials: loop recording, G-sensor collision locking, and 24-hour parking monitoring. One standout feature? The included 32GB SD card, no extra purchases needed. While it lacks 4K, the HDR and WDR tech balance exposure for crisp daytime and nighttime footage. Installation is a breeze with the suction mount and trim tool, making it ideal for first-time users. If you want reliable 3-channel coverage under $60, the SUVCON J06 delivers. Number 3. Overman K600 4K Dash Cam, GPS and 5G Wi-Fi for tech lovers. Taking the number 3 spot, the Overman K600 4K Dash Cam is a tech lover's dream with built-in GPS, 5 GHz Wi-Fi, and a massive 3.59-inch IPS screen. This dual-channel dash cam records 4K UHD, 2760p in front and 1080p in the rear, capturing razor-sharp details like license plates and street signs. The 170-degree front lens and 160D rear lens provide wide coverage, while Sony's StarVis sensor ensures superior night vision. But the real game changer? The GPS logs your speed, route, and location, adding crucial evidence to footage. With 5G Wi-Fi, you can live stream, download, or share clips instantly via the app. The free 64GB SD card, upgraded from 32GB, and 24H parking mode with optional hardwire kit make it a versatile choice. For drivers who want 4K clarity plus GPS tracking, the Overman K600 is a knockout. Number 2. Rove R2 4K Dual Dash Cam, Premium Performance. Our runner-up at number 2, the Rove R2 4K Dual Dash Cam, is a #1 bestseller for a reason. It packs a Sony StarVis 2 sensor, 4K front plus 1080p rear recording, and a free 128GB SD card, unmatched in this price range. The 150-degree front, 140-degree rear lenses capture sweeping views, while the f1.5 aperture and HDR excel in low light. But the standout, ultra-fast 5 GHz Wi-Fi, 20 Mbps download speeds, ideal for quick video transfers. Built-in GPS tags your speed location, and the supercapacitor ensures reliability in extreme temps. The 3-inch IPS screen and 24/7 parking modes, time-lapse, motion detection, add polish. If you demand professional-grade evidence, the Rove R2 4K is a top-tier pick. Number 1. REDTIGER F7MP 4K Dash Cam, best overall. And now the number 1 best front and rear dash cam, the REDTIGER F7MP. This 4K Posonato-P dual dash cam dominates with a 3.16-inch IPS screen, built-in Wi-Fi GPS and night vision so sharp, it puts competitors to shame. The 170-degree front, 140-degree rear lenses minimize blind spots, while f1.5 aperture plus body art capture flawless footage day or night. The G-sensor locks collision videos, and loop recording never misses a beat. But the real win, the 24H parking mode with hardwire kit and 18-month warranty, proof of REDTIGER's confidence. For crisp 4K reliable GPS and unmatched after-sales support, the F7MP is the best dashcam of 2024. There you have it, the top 5 best front and rear dash cams to protect your drives in 2024. Whether you need budget-friendly reliability, SUVCON J06, 3-channel coverage, Miden X5, or 4K brilliance, REDTIGER F7MP, there's an option for every need. Don't forget, our links below score you exclusive discounts, so grab yours before prices change. Which dashcam caught your eye? Let us know in the comments. Hit like, subscribe, and drive safe. Until next time.